I'm going to extract code.zip in a new folder that I'm going to call Racer. And in my game.js, I'm going to create the variables enemy car x that is going to store really big values for the x of the enemy car. After the race has continued long time, we're going to reach really big x's. So I need to understand that this variable doesn't store screen x's that I'm ready to draw. I'm going to add the word real to such variables, and instead I'm going to have the word screen enemy car x when I have evaluated the screen coordinate of the enemy car. I don't need to be so precise when I have enemy car y, because luckily the camera in this game could not change its y. It's going to always be on y0, and so the values of the real y and the screen y are going to be the same. Of course, I will need to be specific about the player too, so this variable is going to be real myx. And I need to know where this camera is, so I'm going to create camera x. So apparently in some way I'm going to use only the real variables, the real coordinates of the enemy car, of the player. But here in the draw I should be able to evaluate screen coordinates, screen axis, depending on camera x. This is one of your tasks now. And the other task is to make a better movement for the player. One easy way to make its movement is to only move on each key up, so you can write real myx to be equal to real myx plus 5 on each key up, and then I will have to change this here. And now I can see how horrible my game is now. You can see that in order for me to move fast, I have to keep really fast, which is horrible. Another solution is to take this line of code and paste it in the update inside the curly brackets of what? Yeah, if that checks. Have you forgotten? I really hope that you haven't forgotten how to check whether a specific key is pressed at the moment. This is why we used the array is key pressed. So is key pressed is an array, and when we use it, we have to add a square bracket, and we have to write the number of the key that we are interested in. And how to know which key we care about? Well, we can press it again and again and again. I'm pressing right arrow, and I can see that its code is 39. So here in the square brackets I'm going to write 39. And now there is going to be something much better. I don't have to press really rapidly the right arrow key, but instead I can hold it, and while I'm holding the right arrow key, the player is moving right. This is kind of nice, but not really, because I'm immediately going from full stop to maximal speed, and when I release the key from maximal speed, I'm immediately going to stop. So that's not realistic for actual cars. What I want you to do is instead use a variable such as mySpeedX or myDeltaX. Such a variable can store numbers similar to 5 that are going to be added to my real x, to real myx. And those numbers are going to be bigger when I hold the right arrow key for a long time. And in the beginning of the game, those numbers are going to be small because I'm stopped in the beginning. So be careful and make the car capable of speeding slowly. And when the right arrow key is released, slowly stopping. You have 2 tasks now. Using mySpeedX and using camera X to follow the player. Good luck!